Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is football season, which means it is pizza season, which means we had to invite my friend Sup Chef on to make what for us?
We're gonna make some buffalo chicken wing pizza.
Oh, I am so excited. All right, Chef, tell everybody how you put this together for us.
Yeah, it's super simple. Made it within a few minutes. So I went to Tops. I went and got some of our pizza dough and a couple other things. Just oil a pan, stretch our dough, and then we add some Rudy's blue cheese. You can add ranch if you'd like.
Yeah.
And then Frank's Red Hot. You can certainly add barbecue sauce, whatever you'd like. And then we'll do cheese, chicken, rotisserie chicken, and then we'll about 15 minutes. Then we'll go ahead with some garnish, make it look nice.
Oh, you have to do the honors. I have to try this.
You want to cut it
I have
up?
to try this. Go ahead, go ahead. And really quick, with dough, it's not that difficult to stretch it. I mean, there have to be some folks out there that are like me that are afraid to kind of mess with the dough. Super simple, right?
Well, it does. It certainly takes a little bit of practice, and I'm not just trying to sell more dough, but it does. It takes some practice.
Yeah.
It gets some getting used to. But what I would say is, when I like to work with dough, I make sure it's at room temperature. And then one of the things that I think is important is just letting the natural weight of it work itself out, and just using your hands to just kind of keep turning, and before you know it, you'll have a circle.
This is fabulous. Chef, tell us really quick, you haven't always done just pizza.
Right.
What else are you guys doing?
Yeah, so well, we certainly have more things to come, but I was a real chef. I worked here in Buffalo until I started making TikToks like in 2020, and kind of got popular for pizza, so we decided to continue with that.
And they ship national. They ship national. Check out our local Tops. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and learn more about Sup Chef. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.